Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use text block shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings of text block shortcode. Text block is content element. Using text block element you can add plain text or HTML styled text in your page. So first of all log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on it and select POFO tab from pop-up. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on text block element. You can see text block element settings and pop up here with different tabs like General, Design Options and Extras. General tab. This is WordPress default HTML editor in which you can add your content. You can also add image using Add Media button. Let me add image in the content. Image is visible here. You can use default editor toolbar like paragraph, heading, to make text bold, italic, insert bullet list, number list, insert link and many other options. If you want to add any HTML or inline CSS style or code, then you can switch to text mode and here you can write HTML or CSS style as per your need. You can set text color using text color option. Let me select green color as text color. Save changes and preview it. You can see green color text and add image in content. Now let me remove image from the content and let's review the design option tab. Using design options you can set margin, border, padding, border color, border style, border radius. Also you can set background color and background image. If you have uploaded background image then you can also set background type, background position and width of text block. If you want different design settings for different devices then you can switch on enable responsive CSS box and add your different settings for different devices like mini desktop, tablet and mobile. Let me set background color here. Let me select blue background color. Save changes and preview it. You can see blue background. Now let me clear background color and upload background image. Select cover background as background type, background position center middle, and let me set 400 pixel width. Save changes and preview it. You can see background image is visible now. Go to Extra tab, this is element id, you can assign unique id to your element then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in appearance customize panel or you can add custom CSS code in child theme style file also. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.